Hello everyone. Today here I'll be discussing about mathematics, and the first chapter that we have in a mathematics is knowing our numbers. So this is the first chapter. Now let us see what is there in the chapter. But before going to the introduction of the chapter, we should have some basic knowledge regarding numbers and digits. We are quite familiar with these two terms, numbers and digits. But can we say that they are the same? They may be not. So let us see if there is any difference between these two terms. So let us know what is the difference between a number and a digit. So it is better we start with the definition. A digit is a single numerical symbol from 0 to 9. Whatever is there between 0 and 9, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, they are termed as digits. And what is a number? A number is a string of one or more digits. Now I know this sentence might not be very much clear to you, so let us go to the examples. This will definitely give you a much clear idea. So for example, you can see 8 is a digit as well as a number, but 54 is a number made up of two digits, 5 and 4. So 8 lies between 0 and 9, so definitely it is a digit as well as it is a number. But 54, we can't call 54 as a digit. We have to call it as a number because it is made up of two digits, 5 and 4. So I hope this is clear to you now. What is a digit and what is a number and what is their difference. Moving on. Now comparing numbers. Now what do you mean by comparing numbers? Comparing numbers means which number is greater, which number is smaller, or maybe both the numbers may be equal as well. So this is quite simple for you all. So 64 is greater than 5. Definitely 64 is greater than 5. We all know that. Then 199 is less than 213. 215 is less than 219. So how we are comparing the numbers? We are comparing the numbers depending on their place values. We know what is place value. There is ones place, tens place, hundreds place. So if we see clearly here, 5 is only in the ones place and 64 has two digits, one in the tens place and one in the ones place. So definitely this number is greater. Similarly in here also, both the numbers have the digits till the 100 place. But you can see in here, the 100 place, the digit is 2 and here it is 1. So definitely this number will be greater than this. Similarly here also, all the numbers are in their 100 place, but you can see here in the ones place, this digit 5 is less than this digit 9. So definitely 219 will be greater than 215. So depending on their place values, we can compare the numbers. Now can you find out which number is greater and which is smaller? Obviously this is very clear for you all that number 432 will be greater and the number 6 will be smaller. This is very easy for you all. Now we can try this at home, find out which number is the greater and which number is the smallest. So these are the numbers. There are also many other examples and problems given in your book which you can try at home. They are given under the topic try this. So please see in your textbooks, try this. You can try that in home. Now moving on, how many numbers can we make? Yes, that's a very good question. How many numbers can we make? If we are given some digits and you're told to find or make some numbers out of those, how can we make? Let us see. Say we are given 4 digits, 2, 6, 8 and 4, and I tell you to make 4-digit numbers out of this. So how can we make? Let us see. Now using these digits we can make many numbers, many 4-digit numbers, and it will depend on either the digits may be repeated or the digits may not be repeated. For example, I have given here 2268. In this number the digit 2 is repeated once, whereas in the number 2684 there no digits are repeated. So depending on the repetition or not repeating the digits, we can make a lot of numbers, a lot of 4-digit numbers. But what if you have to find the greatest number or the smallest number? In that case, we might not repeat the numbers, because if we do, then the numbers may be different. If you just have to find the largest and the smallest number by using these 4 digits, then obviously the largest number will be 8642 and the smallest number will be 2684, that also without repetition. Now next, what is ascending and descending order? This is very easy topic for you all, because you have already known this in your earlier classes, what is ascending and what is descending. Still, let us look at the definitions. What is ascending order and what is descending order? It is just the arrangement or the order in which the numbers are arranged, we can say. In the ascending order, the numbers are usually arranged from the smallest number to the largest number. Now for example, you can see these numbers are arranged in the ascending order. Here the smallest number is 1 and the largest number is 99. So you can see from 1 it gradually the numbers increases, and so we can say that this is in the ascending order. The descending order, this is just the opposite of ascending order. Here the numbers will be from the greatest or the largest to the smallest number. The order here is just the opposite of ascending order. Let us see one example. So you can see here 77 is the largest number, then gradually it gets decreased to the smallest number, and the smallest number here is 2. So this is the ascending and the descending order. I hope you all have understood this very well. Still, you go through your textbooks so that you can understand the topic much more clearly, as well as you try these problems which are given in between these topics, so that you can practice at home. As we all know, practice makes a man perfect. So keep on practicing, and that's all for today's video. Thank you and have a nice day.